Hello everyone, we are back with an unboxing for Christmas Evil. I have the limited and standard. I'm pretty sure that's the limited and that's the standard. I might be wrong, I've forgotten. I don't know which one's which. It's pretty late, so as in like unboxing this, but yeah, I'm doing it anyway. First we're going to unbox these. I don't know if they're the same like poster, but that's one of the posters. So cute. I can't. This concept is so beautiful. It's currently like 9:30 at night, so I might be a little bit dead. Just seeing if this is the same. Yes, so that's the same poster. And this is also, oops, I know is the same as well. So I'll just open one set. So we have Chan. No, that's back. Lino, Changbin, Hanjin, Jisung. Ooh, that's cool. Felix, Sumin, and I am for that one. So we're going to unbox the green one first. I don't want to see, I gotta hide what I got. So, ooh, this is kind of cool. Okay, so this is the CD. Oh, it smells good. Try not to flash me. So yes, little evil face. So set this aside. The concept of this is just so pretty. I have cats at home. Come over. Stay in Chan's room. Like the cheesy pickup lines. I'm living to see you. So cute. I have a crush on you. Hashtag love stay. And there. Love you always. Oh my god, this concept is so cute. Would you be my brownies? Oh my god. Is that? You are the basic. Don't even know what that means. Would you like to baby bread? That's so cute. That's like the whole concept. They've kind of like stuffed this up. Oh no. That was fun. What's that? Oh, that's so cute. And they stuffed it up again. They've made it look like they have really long arms. No, I can't. Oops. Okay, my alarm just went off, so I'm back. So they're just the things. Yeah, it's kind of ripped in the side, but that's alright. Okay, look who we got. There's the stickers and the cute stamps. Yeah, stamps. Them on the back. Okay. I don't know what this is. Like this is like thank yous or Merry Christmas notes to stays. Very cute. Okay, see if I can do this one at a time. I didn't see. I don't know if you. Oh. I saw that one, but the person that's doing my group order literally got like 8 of these out of like 12 albums. So, woo! Yay! But I did get Hyunjin. Woo! I'm not gonna complain about getting his card. So pretty. I don't think there's anything more now. So we got these cards and we'll see what we got in the other album. Let's put this back. Oops. Oh my god. There we go. It is in. There's that one. Oh, it doesn't. That's annoying. I wish. It's like a Christmas book, but like they don't have the magnet. Sad. Okay. We gonna open this one. Ooh, that's a different member. So. Oh god. This is. I'm just gonna blind you whilst doing that. Blind myself. Great job. Okay. Ooh, this one doesn't deliver. Chan. These ones doesn't have the like lines on it. Changbin. Oh yeah, my favourite song on the album is definitely 24 to 25. I'm a sucker for that song. I'm a sucker for any song that Chan writes, to be honest. Oh my god, that's so cute. This concept is so cute. I can't. Oh, they're all snuggled up. So cute. Oh, they're in a stocking. Han. I love how it's like all really cute and it's this. Felix with his freckles. Jitsun. It's such a contrast between that and that. Oh my god. It's crazy. They're in the stocking as well. So cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. Can't see some. Oh my god, I feel like I'm so boring for this. I'm just so tired. Oh my god. Because like I was like, I can't wait until like tomorrow to film. So I need to know what I got. And like I'm busy. Yeah. So it's definitely my favourite song. So that's the same sticker as before. And then let's see if I can. Okay. Okay. See who it is. God. Ooh, Changbin. I got both evil versions. I've pulled Changbin again. I pulled Changbin in my last album as well. So, Changbin. And let's see who it is. It is Sumin. So cool. I love the glitter. It's so cool. glitter on the back as well. So yes, that's my unboxing. Probably not that very like entertaining, but I should have a sorting my binder video coming out soon. Not sorting my binder, putting stuff away in my binder. So yes, that's what I have for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.